Hey y'all, what's going on? This is Francisco from Dropkick. I'm the executive chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make a smoked salmon sour cream dip at home. I'm going to run you through the ingredients to get you started. We got smoked salmon, we got some bonito flakes, we got heavy cream, onion powder and garlic powder, mirin, fish sauce, black pepper, and salt. You want to stir it, so make sure it doesn't stick to the pot. If it sticks to the pot, reduce your heat. As the smoked salmon is being cooked a little further, you want to add your onion powder, your garlic powder. I'm going to give that a stir. Then you're going to want to add your mirin. Any fond that sticks to the bottom of the pan or the pot, you want to remove it or remove with the mirin. You want to keep on stirring that. We have the garlic powder, onion powder, salmon, smoked salmon, and the mirin in the pot. Next, we're going to add the heavy cream. You're going to bring that to a simmer. And you're going to add your bonito flakes. You're going to give it a stir. When it comes to a simmer, you'll add your fish sauce. Turn the heat off. You'll let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. So after it's sat for 30 minutes to an hour, you're going to blend it. You're going to blend it smoothly. You don't want any chunks in it, so make sure it's nice and smooth. And then you're going to let it sit overnight. You're going to want to whip it to like a medium heat. You want the consistency of whipped cream. Start off slow. You don't want to go really high. So it'll take about 5 minutes for you to whip it. You want to watch it carefully. You don't want to over whip it. This is the consistency you're looking for. What you want to do too next, you want to add a little bit of some salt, some black pepper. If you have white pepper at home, go ahead and use your white pepper. You want to just mix that. I'm doing a take on a lox bagel meets sour cream dip. You use salmon or trout caviar. Pickled red onion, easy to make pickled red onion at home. Dice some red onions, chop some red onions, bring red wine vinegar to a boil and just pour it over the onions. Then let it sit for a couple hours. Use it the following day. Buy some capers in a jar. Make sure you drain all the liquid out of the capers and fry those off and get them nice and crispy. And as a garnish, I'm using a little bit some dill. We're going to start off with your caviar. Let it fall. Then we're going to add some red onion. Make sure you have no liquid. Sprinkle some capers, fried capers, and then we have some dill. Just going to top it off. You can do potato chips, or you can do pita chips. One of the reasons I picked this dish, I love sour cream dip at parties and I love lox bagels on Sundays. Why not mix them together?